Hey everyone, Craig Crawford here, and I'm seriously excited to give you the demo video of ProFlipperz. I'm going to show you what it does, give you a quick scenario, and just explain everything in the app. Obviously, it looks really easy to use, and that's because it is. All the hard work works in the background, where it works easily for you guys in the foreground, and that is the most important thing, right? Simplicity and ease of use. Speed is money, right? Or time is money. So moving on, we open up the ProFlipperz app. Now this will access the camera, as you see here. As you can see, there's a box moving up and down. It's searching continuously for a barcode to scan. Now, as it says below, place the barcode within the window to scan. The search will start automatically. Now I'm going to use, let me use this one for example. This is a glue gun. Bring it up to the barcode. As you can see how quickly that brought it up. This is, if this was going to be a gunslinger, this app, it would be the fastest in the world and would be the only barcode scanner alive. People have used this that I know who use barcode scanners every single day, and they say that it cannot be beaten. So as you can see here, it brings up all the information that you need, the description, the category, the title and the image. You can search on the web, but I'm going to show you just something else just to give you kind of a different scenario. Let me get rid of that quickly. Oops. So we have Airpods Pro. Now with Airpods Pro, say you walk to a thrift shop, charity shop, you're at a car boot sale, you're wherever you want to be, that you're going to grab bargains. It can be anywhere that you desire on the planet that have them. We obviously give you the training of where to go, what to do, how to get the cheapest bargains, how to get more profit from everything that you're doing in the training that we provide. So with this, say the scenario is you go to a thrift shop, these are for £100, or a charity shop here in the UK, and you want to buy these for £100. Well, first of all, you want to make sure that it's going to be profitable, so you need to do your research. So the barcode scanner, you find the barcode, you bing it like this, it opens it up here. As you can see, brings up the image, the category, the description. Now, like I say, they're on offer for £100, but you want to find out how much they're truly worth online, so you can see what your profit margin will be, how much you can sell it for, if it's even worth investing in buying in these AirPods, because it might not be. But obviously we need to do our research. So as you can see, it brings up the information. You can search through, find out how much they're selling for. Like I say, here we go, there's ads. iWoo, £200 Gear Geek, there'll be fakes. Apple AirPods Pro, 219, 119 on AO.com, 199 on Zavvi. So we know from searching on the web, like I show you on this, on the middle of the screen now, it says search on web. We can actually find the information to do the listing research, I guess. So we found out that they're selling for about £200 to £220. The average price that we tell you to sell it for is about £171, which you see on the top right here. Of the information of the product info. So we know that we can make a nice profit from this, and they do sell cheap in different places, but obviously you have to look for these bargains, and we teach people exactly what to do, where to do, and how to do it. We teach them anywhere from getting multiple things in bulk to getting singular things and making a lot of money. Steve Hitson is the pro for this. He's generated over $4 million in his time doing this, in his spare time, whilst running an IT company, okay? So the red button just shows you how to search on the web and actually do the research before moving on to the juicy bit, which is making money. Like I say, this all works in the background. I'm just going to show you something else, say for Colgate toothpaste, just to show you again that there's over 250 million barcodes. So you'll find it hard not to find what you're searching for. See how quick it works? So here we have Colgate Max White and Protect 75ml. This is just an example. Brings it up again, search on the web, or green, use in a listing. So we hit in the bottom middle, use in a listing. It brings the title, the category, the description, and the image. We're cutting out all the hard work here for you guys. You obviously want to put your price in and the quantity. Etsy's not connected, but when it is, the information is displayed for that. eBay listing details, you can enter the city, the different information. Quite often you don't need to even add the UPC. There's just a couple of bits, like I say. But a lot of these things, like, let me give you an example, say the item city, etc., it will be saved for the future, because your phone well, the app will remember all of this for you. The information doesn't need to be repeated over and over and over. This is a fresh install, so that's why like it doesn't show the origin country yet. So let me give you an example of how it posts. And also, let me just show you one quick thing as well. As you can see, the top right here, you have the blue circle clock. It's basically showing all the scans that you've done in the past. Also below that, it shows you the little, see the little electric zigzag, that's for the torch, for low light situations. We then can move on to, I'm going to move on to the listings just because I find it so exciting. So these are just dummy ones that are there to kind of show a test inventory. You can delete, you can look at the active ones. So the deleted ones, if you ever sell something and it gets returned for whatever reason, or they change their mind, whatever, you can then come back here once you've deleted it, if you deleted it, and then relist it easily. The top left, it shows you the cogs, or the cog, sorry, just across from where it says log out. This is where you log into everywhere. Once you've logged in, you don't need to log in time and time again. The app keeps you logged in. And say you want to list this, let's say the Red Dragon keyboard K552, which is automatically, like I say, from a scan brought in the information for you guys, so it doesn't have to be done manually. So just below the deleted bin button, you'll see the two arrows, one up, one down. This is to open it up and bring up the information ready to post. So as the information in already, I go to post here on the top right. You can push to all platforms, save it to the inventory for later if you like, share it on Etsy, Shopify. I just had to literally send off a contract to allow us to use it for the third-party data section, which is where you're just posting to Shopify, because we have an app in Shopify that connects. WooCommerce, Amazon is coming too. You can share on eBay, Bonanza, and share on Facebook groups, so you can create a selling group or have your app, because we have a Facebook app as well that ties to groups, so then you can post in groups as well, and you can do that all in the push of a button once you're logged into these places. So it's literally a few clicks of a button. First of all, you scan your barcode to find out if it's worth selling and do your research. You can then push it from, you literally go back, then go to listing it. It then puts all the information in there. You then go to post and it brings you to this bit, like I say, top right here, post, and then you can push it to all the platforms and share in all these different places. You can do it to just one, or you can do it to all of them. It's entirely up to you. But like I say, this is saving time, saving effort, saving money, and cutting out the hard work of doing things manually over and over and over. Now, this is where it gets even juicier. Let me go back. You see the bottom right of the main screen in the inventory listings? There's a green button on the bottom right with a plus in. You press that. You can then go to create a post. Now let's just say, for example, we want to put a test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we add a photo. I'm going to choose this. And then this. Then we go to post on the top right here. You can share it to Twitter, share on Facebook, share on Instagram, and share on TikTok. A lot of the stuff that I've sold has been on Facebook. I am not kidding. There is a lot of money to be made from Facebook alone. TikTok is also great for e-commerce, and obviously Instagram and Twitter, once you build a following, or if you have a following and people do search for hashtags as well, you can sell on all of these platforms. So bottom right, let's go to share on TikTok, because this is going crazy right now. Cancel. So as you can see here, it brings up the images and plays it in kind of a little video. And then from that, we can go back. Let's get off this. Okay, you can share it on the other places. And then from there, you can broadcast your listings and get more traffic. Now we have utilities, a calculator. For on the move, you need to work things out. Your torch, which you can't see, but it does work. Again, for low light situations, you want to check something out. It doesn't just have to be stuff that you can scan with a barcode. Sometimes it could be a car, it could be anything. And then Shippo, which is really, really interesting. So once you've signed up for a Shippo account, which is, you can see, sign up to Shippo, you put your Shippo user token in there, and then you enter just some very simple details, and it gives you discounted shipping, UPS, FedEx, and all them good, reliable places. So we actually have a very, very simple system. Literally, you go to scan something, you do your research on the web, you find out exactly what excuse me for that, you find out exactly how much it's worth, then you use it in a listing. Then, like I say, I'm not connected to anywhere, so I can't use it sadly, but we do have the dummy ones here. Once you've got all the information and the images that it auto posts for you, you then go to post, and then you can publish it to all platforms. So literally it's a 3-step process. Find out how much it's worth, list it, push to all platforms. Simple as that. Comes along with the training. Very, very cool. Great tool for anyone wanting a side hustle or a full-time business. I'm very, very proud and excited to show you this because I know how powerful this is for everyone out there. Like I say, the barcode scanner is super quick. Takes the information, puts it into a listing, and then you can literally post it within seconds. You could literally go into a thrift shop, find something, like I say, like a pair of iPods or Airpods for £100. They sell for £200. You list it for £170. You could make £70 before even leaving the shop. Not kidding, guys. This is how perfect it is for anyone wanting to set up a business in flipping. And like I say, we have the training as well. Thank you.